virtual worlds, this has been a long time evolving. You remember the Google glasses, premature. The technology was not ready and the costs were not low enough. And believe it or not, that is still the case. But we are beginning to see breakthroughs now that could really impact the gaming market first. So you can see here the gaming market, and this is the gaming market as you and I know it, which includes both the premium $60 games plus in-game purchases. You can see that we expect a 16% compound annual rate of growth during the next 5 years. Now you'll see that's coming much more from in-game purchases. So that world continues to transform. What's been really interesting about following the gaming sector over the last 25 years is that every time a new technology has evolved, the gaming sector has seen incremental growth. That is unlike video and music. With each new technology, they got hit. Gaming is the only area we've seen that has been able to migrate from one technology to another, and the space gets bigger. We believe this is about to happen once again with artificial reality and virtual reality. So we are looking at a 59% compound annual rate of growth. We do think that technology is almost there. We know that Facebook with Oculus has been seeing some good success. It's been sold out of its latest model. We believe COVID-19 helped to accelerate that, as it accelerated so much in innovation. And so pay attention to this space. It could be very exciting.